All right, so you all agreed on an amount, $3,700.
Yes, Your Honor. That's what the victim, there's a document in there that came from Target. Because this occurred at Target where he was employed. There's a document in there from Target where they, I guess, interviewed the defendant about the items he stole, and he admitted to the amount specifically that's requested by the state.
All right, so when are you going to pay for this?
I can pay payments over time, Your Honor.
So when you say you can pay for this over time, how much are you talking about per month?
A month I can pay 500.
All right, so can you pay 500 per month, or are you just telling me what I want to hear?
No, yes, Your Honor, I can pay 500.
Do you have employment?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right, court is calling 2025 CR 003791, State versus Andrew Xavier Crawford. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Albin for the state.
Keith Engelke for Mr. Crawford.
And are you Mr. Crawford?
Yes, sir.
All right, you entered a plea of no contest on September 16th. And according to this, he was to pay $500 already. So has he paid $500?
No, ma'am, he's not been able to do that.
Why not?
I get paid for my employment tomorrow, and I have the money today, but sometimes my check comes early, but it's not like always the same. Like, it's not always the same time, and I get paid tomorrow. I was gonna have
State?
Yes, ma'am. He said that he would have the money today and or by now, and he hasn't. So obviously that raises concerns.
All right, so here's the issue for the court. The issue is that this was set on September 16th. You entered a plea, and the court, you said you would pay $500 by the next setting.
Yes, sir.
So here we are in December.
Yes, sir.
So when are you going to have the $500?
I can have it tomorrow. I can bring in the money to you.
All right. Your bondsman did an affidavit to surrender surety. So what I'll do is I will, how are you paid?
Weekly.
No, I mean, are they doing those things where they give you a credit card or direct deposit?
Yes, yes, sir.
All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to you today, and I'm going to order that $500 be paid towards restitution tomorrow. If it is not paid, a motion to revoke will be filed. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. State, you may be excused. Are you Xavier Crawford?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what do you do for a living?
I work at BJ's.
Okay. And do you have any children?
No, you're.
Do you have family support?
Yes, sir.
And who is your family support?
Mom.
Right. Do you live with them?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. This is what the court is going to do. All right. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This isn't a motion to revoke. Okay. Oh, that's okay. I'm gonna white it out. All right. And have you had any type of mental health issues in the past? All right. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 40 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be restitution.
Let's break this down, because this sentence is more complex than it sounds. Deferred adjudication means no conviction yet. It's essentially the court saying, we'll hold this over your head for 5 years. Mess up, and it all comes crashing down. Add in restitution, random drug tests, employment restrictions, and court-ordered programs, and suddenly freedom comes with a very long checklist. This isn't leniency, it's structured pressure.
To Target in the amount of $3,746.99. And I don't know how he's going to pay the 99 cents because they're doing away with the penny. So $500 to Target that needs to be in a money order or cashier's check is due on December 16th, 2025. There's to be 200 hours community service restitution. Why is there a request for healthy relationships?
This was not meant that we were up for that. They've got probation, this.
All right.
My understanding is it will be taken into consideration.
All right, so there's to be 200 hours community service restitution. 100 hours will be deemed satisfied upon completion of the healthy relationships course, which I'm ordering. The remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied upon the completion of the anti-theft course, which I am ordering. And have you had any type of mental health issues in the past? All right, there's to be no contact with Target. That's any Target. So don't go to any Target. Or Michaela Pean, Pean. There should be field visits one time per month for 6 months. With regards to a case to be taken in consideration, it's not in your plea bargain agreement.
It's my understanding was to be.
I mean, it's not listed. State, is there something that's being taken in consideration?
I
Okay.
can provide you with the case number.
Well, no. I'm just saying what your plea bargain agreement is with this court. There's no TIC. If the state is saying there's a TIC, then the court will, of course, follow that, but that's not in the plea bargain agreement. Probation, is there anything else that's needed? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
He has a setting on the outstanding misdemeanor today.
All right. And could somebody look and find out, is he taken into custody because the bondsman did an affidavit to surrender surety for this case?
He was supposed to come to sentencing in October 23rd. And then the affidavit should be filed.
Okay.
He failed to appear.
And I issued a judge's warrant and remanded with you without bond on October 23rd. Why did you not appear?
Because I had an accident.
Because what?
Because I had an accident in the morning.
An accident what?
An accident in the morning.
What type of accident was that?
I was taking my brother to school in the morning for my appointment, and I got rear-ended
And did you inform your attorney of that?
like hours later.
The court didn't receive notice of that, because if the court would have received notice of that, the court would have recalled the warrant.
Yes, sir.
So what information did you tender?
I didn't.
The judge, he called me, I appeared, I notified you. You asked me where he was and some other questions. And I tried to obtain information from the clinic, and the clinic sent me the document that I could not open. So. And then Norma indicated that she would just reset the case.
Normally what?
The coordinator indicated that she would reset the case to a different date. And
I usually have request information. In order for the case to be.
right, and we did furnish a request from the clinic to excuse him from court. And I believe you indicated to the coordinator that that wasn't sufficient. So I tried to get something
No,
more.
I mean, in this court, if somebody says they've been in an accident, they need to provide documentation. So my question is, Was documentation ever provided to the court?
Beyond what I just described, the request from the clinic, no.
All right, so, yes.
I just wanted to let the court know that he does have a misdemeanor harassment case, and as part of the agreement that Megan made.
This moment explains why courts are ruthless about documentation. Accidents happen, emergencies happen, but proof matters more than explanations. Without documentation, the court can't act, and silence reads as noncompliance. That's how a missed court date turns into a warrant, and how a small mistake snowballs into serious legal trouble.
Defense counsel, it's to be judgment satisfied, not TIC.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand, counsel?
Oops, sorry.
All right, so the court will recall the warrant since this case is closed. And I'm only recalling the warrant for cause number 2025 CR 003791. So if he has a warrant elsewhere, he needs to take care of that. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
And just like that, the gavel moves on. But the pressure doesn't. This case is a perfect example of how the justice system gives chances, but keeps score. Every payment, every court date, every rule matters. So here's the real question for you. Is deferred adjudication a second chance, or just a longer road to consequences? Let me know what you think.
And you need to have that paid, otherwise a motion to revoke is going to be filed.
Yes, ma'am. And where do I bring it? Where do I bring it?
You'll speak to probation and they'll let you know. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Who's next?